Welcome to our guide on managing states, thoughts, and mindfulness.
In today's fast-paced world,
It can be challenging to stay
centered and mindful.
amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life.
However, by incorporating,
These tips into your routine,
you can enhance your
ability to manage your states, control your thoughts, and cultivate mindfulness.
recognize and acknowledge your states.
The first step in
Managing your states.
is to be aware of them.
Take a moment to check
In with yourself throughout the day
and notice how you're feeling, whether it's excitement, stress.
or frustration
Acknowledging your states.
allows you to address them more effectively. Pause and breathe when you encounter a challenging situation or find yourself caught up in negative thoughts. Take a moment to pause and breathe. Deep mindful breathing can help calm your nervous system and bring you back to the present moment. Focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. This simple practice can quickly shift your state of mind. Challenge negative thoughts. Our thoughts have a profound influence on our states and mood. If you find yourself caught in a cycle of negative thinking, pause and challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they are rational or if there is an alternative perspective. 9 times out of 10, negative thoughts are exaggerated.
Or distorted.
By consciously reframing your thoughts, you can turn them into positive, empowering ones. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for managing states and thoughts. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus your attention on the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and your breath. When thoughts arise, let them pass without judgment and bring your focus back to the present. Regular practice can help you develop greater clarity, calmness, and better manage your states and thoughts. Engage in self-care activities. Taking care of yourself is essential for managing your states and thoughts. Engage in activities that bring you joy, relaxation, or peace of mind. It could be exercise, spending time in nature, reading, or practicing a hobby you love. Remember to set aside dedicated time for self-care regularly to recharge and maintain your mental well-being. Cultivate a positive mindset. Having a positive mindset is crucial in managing your states and thoughts. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting people, inspiring books, or motivational podcasts. Practice gratitude by focusing on what you appreciate in your life.
By intentionally shifting.
Your focus to the positive aspects. You can train your mind to stay in a positive state more often. Remember, managing your states, thoughts, and mindfulness is an ongoing practice. It requires consistency and effort, but the benefits are immense.
By implementing these
Tips into your daily life, you'll enhance your ability to stay centered, manage your thoughts, and cultivate mindfulness. Start today and enjoy the positive impact it will have on your well-being.